Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and Arish is going to fly on Hobby T720 glider with built-in stabilization system. Remember, this is a 4-channel RC plane. Okay. Now test. Don't test the throttle. Never test the throttle first. Okay. First test elevator and ailerons are working. Okay. Throttle a little bit. Okay, leave it. Now see, stabilization is working. Okay, good. Now how to fly? One moment. Test. Where is the rudder? Now that's elevator. That's aileron. Rudder is here. So if you want to make turn, you can use the rudder. You want to go up, you will push this one down. Okay, but very slowly. And left and right bank is this. One moment. Here's something not right. Got it? You can do it. Again, what you will do? Go straight and make a nice slow right turn. Keep more than half throttle. Okay, ready? Go. Half throttle more. Control. Keep right slowly. Keep climbing up. Slow down on the throttle. Okay, now make right turns and keep climbing. This glider has very nice ability to climb. Don't go to the road. Okay, always keep it. Never fly over our head, Arish. Remember that. You can get disorientated very quick. Okay, cut down on the throttle. Enough altitude. Always fly here in this area, Arish, in front of us. Okay. Throttle more low. And push the elevator up. Up, not down. Up. Push up. Yeah, see, now the airplane is coming down. Make a left turn. So reduce the altitude. You are going too high. This is catching thermals, I think. Right turn. And push the elevator down as well. Down elevator, down. Keep coming down. Awesome. Slowly. Very good. Yeah, doing amazing job, Arish. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. You can fly it now, right? You're hot. You need water.
We have water.
Next, we are going to chase each other, inshallah. Now Arish knows how to fly. It's easy to fly this glider, right?
Have we dropped in the water?
No, don't drop in the water. Why do you want to do that?
If it.
No, it will not drop. As far as you have mild throttle, lower the throttle even more. Okay, very good. Let me help you. At this throttle, it will still fly. See?
What's that? That is a clamp.
Keep flying.
That's slow.
Yeah, slow is good. Nice and relaxing. Arish is hands-free now. Arish is hands-free and glider is just going itself. Awesome. Okay, Arish, now you need to make landing, okay?
Yeah.
I tell you what to do. Keep going straight here, okay? And make a left turn and keep it right above the runway. Left. Left more. Okay, good. Let me teach you one time and then you will learn, okay?
Your thumb.
Thumbs here. Okay, now watch the glider. And feel how I'm controlling the...
Let's see which one fits. Okay, this one.
See,
fits.
now we are making an approach. We are going for approach. We have half throttle, right? Right?
Bigger.
Half throttle.
Too skinny.
And now we make a turn and reduce the throttle to 0. See, because our turn is right here. And we keep a slightly elevator up, so, you know, on the stick up, so that plane will come down, it will not climb, and it will not stall. See, keep it straight, see? Very nice and very good. That's it. Learn something? Can you land it again? So now you have to land by yourself. All right? You have to land by yourself. What you need to do, take off, make a nice turn, come to the runway and reduce the throttle, not 0, very low throttle, and control the plane. Okay? Ready? Take off. Go right.
That's not hard.
Fix your
Make a nice approach. Reduce the throttle now. Reduce the throttle. Reduce the throttle.
I mean half.
Less than half. Less than half. Less than half. No, not now. Not now. Too early. Too early.
No. Your hand is good.
I put my heart out and it's old.
Now make a circle. Make a circle. Go right. Right.
Put it here.
Go right.
Sorry, but now.
Keep going. When Baba says, then you turn. Okay? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No, don't turn. Keep going. Now turn.
Now,
And reduce the throttle. Zero.
that's zero.
Zero throttle. And control elevator down. Yes, like this. Very good. Control the directions. Very good. Keep coming. Zero throttle. Down elevator. Yes, keep coming. And up. Sweet, Arish. That was one of the best AliShanMao landings, right? Now it's going, it cannot turn because there's too much wind. You did a very good job. That's the legacy here, right? MashaAllah. That's AliShanMao's legacy is talking here. He had the smoothest landing. I don't know. Remember to keep hands away from propeller, okay?